Most people are chasing hair growth with oils, but the real magic is in what you put on your scalp consistently. Today I'm going to show you a powerful herbal hair growth mask made with fenugreek, neem, moringa, and flaxseed gel. This isn't just a DIY. This mask targets shedding, slow growth, dry scalp, and breakage. Each ingredient plays a specific role in strengthening your hair follicles and supporting growth. Let's start with fenugreek powder. Fenugreek is rich in proteins and nicotinic acid, which help reduce shedding and strengthen weak strands. Next is neem powder, which helps fight dandruff, itchiness, and scalp inflammation. A healthy scalp is essential for hair growth, and neem keeps the scalp clean and balanced. Then we have moringa powder, known as the miracle plant. Moringa is packed with vitamins, iron, amino acids, and antioxidants that help strengthen hair, reduce thinning, and support length retention. Add warm water slowly until you reach a smooth, spreadable consistency. Not too thick, not too runny. You want the mask to coat your hair and scalp evenly. To bind everything together, I'm using flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel adds moisture, sleep, and shine while helping define curls and reduce frizz. It also allows the herbs to glide easily onto the hair without drying it out. Continue mixing until you get the desired consistency while you check as well. If it's too thick, you can also add some more water and continue mixing until the consistency is right to your liking. I like it more like yogurt consistency, not too thick, not too thin, because when it's too thin and you apply it on your hair and you sit under heat, it starts dripping on your clothing. So you don't want that to happen. For best results, apply this mask to clean or slightly damp hair, focusing on the scalp first, then moving it through the hair shaft or your length. Cover with a plastic cup and let it sit for 30 minutes under heat. Or you can stay with it for an hour. If you don't have access to any heat, you can sit with it for an hour. Use this mask once a week for stronger hair, less shedding, and improved growth over time. Remember, consistency is the key here. Healthy hair is built, not rushed. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you try this mask and how you like it. Until next time, thank you for watching.